Now, this issue about charging, which I find to be sort of a racially tinged offensive word in and of itself, but I would have asked him, what exactly does that mean? Because at one point he says Mike Brown took a step forward. Another time he says he took a hop as if he was about to run. And he began running. So running is inconsistent with one step forward. Which is it, Mr. Wilson? I mean, you really have to get to the bottom of it. You can't let an ambiguous word like charged get out there to the grand jury without analyzing it, without cross-examining it. And that just didn't happen.
And just exit question, Lisa, just based on having gone through all of its evidence, and as you said, staying up all night reading it, would there have been enough here to bind this over for trial had the prosecutor had a different motivation?
Oh, of course. If this were any other case and you have a couple of eyewitnesses who say that this young man was shot with his hands up, that is more than sufficient for probable cause. You bind him over for trial. And the one question that this prosecutor was never asked was, why was this case treated differently than all of the other defendants in the St. Louis area who are mostly